Hello, daydreamers.
Good morning.
Okay, today we will explore Sibulan. So we're taking you for a trip there. Stay with us and see you there. Guess what? It's raining. Here's a nice view, but we saw it before start raining. Now we can't show you because, as you can see, it's rain. So yeah, we can't show you the nice view. Danica here. We have also a friend, Baka. It's Baka or Carabo? Carabo. It's a guy. It's a guy. So what is that?
Cow. It's a cow.
Cow? Okay. Okay, now we can show you a little. Look this. It's amazing. It's a lot of coconut there, so they have a lot of harvests, huh? Nice. So beautiful. We're going that way. Okay, let's go. Okay, we get here. We need to register, pay 100 peso per person again, plus motorbike 20. So what do you have actually here, Mom? What is that?
Here, sir, we have a twin lake, and we have also the table map, sir, so that we can show you where are you now.
Okay, where we are?
Here you are, sir. We have here the Kabalinan Pond outside. Then you have to go up from here, going to the parking area. We have here the parking area, and near the parking we have the restaurant. Then from the restaurant we have view deck here. You can view this portion of the first lake, which is Lake Balinsa Sayao. Then you have to go down by walk 180 meters. Then here we have boating activities. So you can take boating going to this portion and go up to the watchtower. Then you can see both sides of the two lakes. Then we have also waterfalls here. You need also to take boating and go up to the waterfalls 100 meters
From here, but from here to here, how long?
It's about almost 1 hour. So maybe you can take
Here is 1 hour?
almost 1 hour by
Oh
paddle.
my God.
Take boating. Then you can stay here maybe 30 minutes, then go back. Almost 2 hours you can have to consume for boating, going to the waterfalls.
Oh, yeah.
Then you have to rent also the boating, 250 per hour.
Okay, thank you very much. So we're ready to go? We need to wait, yeah? Mom, why we need to wait now?
Because from here to the parking area, sir, is one way.
Okay.
If there's somebody to go down, nobody will go up.
But the road is so beautiful. Look, you can
But
fly,
the road
you
is
can land the
very-
plane here.
The road up there is steep.
Ah, okay. Let's go here first. This kind of birds they have here. This one here is nice. How about here? Okay. Okay, here's some restaurant. Good morning. You want some snacks? So take it. What is this? Yeah, me. Yeah. Yeah, so take it. And here's a view deck. You have fish there, huh?
Yes, sir. We have fish here.
But it's not allowed to fishing.
We can allow fishing by being wet.
Okay. But, let's see. Not. You can see properly from here. But it looks nice. Okay, let's see it. It's a banana inside. Yeah. Good. Fried on deep oil, of course. Okay, let's go down. First, what we do when we come to the place, any place now, is eating. Lunchtime, yeah. I don't know if you can hear, but it's a nice forest there. Some birds. Go down is easy, but we will have very nice exercise going up there. We will lose this banana what we just eat, Danucha. Give me hand, come on. So now,
Calm down.
oh my god, more. You scared of crocodiles here?
Of course.
There's no crocodile. I'm only the one crocodile here. One is here, and one here is on another side over there. You can see them both if you climb
this one,
somewhere there. Oh yeah. You can see here on the picture. Because I don't think we will go over there on the second. Because it's up there. It's too far. Okay. Hello, Kuya. Look at this tree. Ah, you're hiding here. No one is here. Tulog na.
Tulog.
I'm more heavy. Kuya, it's okay? And we have rain. Look at this. Are you scared? Why? First time on the boat? No.
Like this, yeah?
Oh, it's okay. Don't scare. Okay, let's go.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love.
The trip by boat, it's taking there to waterfall around 1 hour. And like this said, and I think we are very close because we hear it. And boom, swimming. Thank you. So you will wait for us, yeah? Wait.
Yes.
Don't go. It calls Ulayan Falls. My God, it's so quiet here. Nature, huh? It's beautiful. Just like so quiet. You hear these birds around, waterfall. Oh, can you hear this, guys? Watch this. Danica, what is this? See?
Saging-saging sa Bisaya man, ma'am.
Sige.
Okay.
Sabi-sabi.
But it's not for it. It's
No, flower.
flower. Can you hear it? A lot of birds. We're nearly here. Have a look. I need to hold this. There's some rods, yeah? From the tree. Waterfall there. This is the one. Oh, it's okay.
She said we can go up there.
I can't go.
We can't go.
We can't go.
Because it's slippery, yeah?
I think it's time to swim. Okay, let's go swim, babe. Wow. What's this? Nature. So amazing. Let's go here. Woo. Ah! Again, cold water. Look at this. Come on, Olga. Ah, don't touch me, you're cold. Oh my god. Don't push me. Don't push me because I have camera. Oh my god. It's so cold. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my god. This water. Oh my god. Oh. This water have, I don't know, 10 maybe degrees or less.
Nanika, come here.
No, come on.
Ah! Come to me! Oh my god. It's so cold. You can get heart attack here, promise. More fun in the Philippines. Look at this. I think it is quite deep. So beautiful. Woohoo! Danica, come to me.
No, I know you're gonna push me.
Come on. It's okay now. After a few minutes, it's okay. But it's really like sitting in the fridge, in the freezer, promise.
So don't push me.
No, I'm not gonna push you. We enjoy so much here, promise. It's so amazing. So cool. Maybe it's time to go, huh? Okay, we have rain. I think we need to go. You like Danusha?
Of course, I enjoy.
Of course. Because we have rain, I stand here on the side in this lovely, I don't know, cottage. And I just want to say something about this place. I have really doubts about the waterfall before we actually get here. I was thinking that, you know, maybe it's not worth it to come, but I can say definitely when you are in Dumaguete, you should come to the Twin Lakes and visit the waterfall, at least waterfall, you know. You have a lot of nice birds here, so you can see them also. It's so amazing. This is cool. Relax. Don't want to even go home. Oops. We need to pay now for this wonderful trip. But we need to do it in the restaurant, Mom said. Now, the worst thing. We need to go up. Whew, a good exercise. Danica, I have an idea for you.
What?
Let's go up and we will see who will get there first. We will run.
Okay.
Okay?
I will.
There. If what? If you will win? What do you want? If you will food? Okay. If you win, you will get food. 3, 2, 1. She smiles. She saw I'm running. What's good? Danica, maybe you want to go to other waterfall?
No.
Why not? Come on, let's go. She's already tired. We're still in the mountains. We're going back home, but we saw the nice restaurant here and we're going to check what is in there. If they have good food or not, we will see. I think they have very nice view here. This is one of the reasons why we stop. Hello. Okay, lah? You have beautiful view here, huh?
Thank you, sir.
This is it. Wow. What's this? This is where you can sit and eat your dinner, lunch or breakfast. Have a look. It's so cool. What do you want?
All. Because I'm hungry.
Okay, let's see. You need to watch what you're saying because I understand. Hello.
That's na po ni kinuha, ma'am.
Bachoy, special bachoy.
Fries, burger.
Kaya burger.
You have
Nanang yalo, ma'am.
Giant burger na lang, ma'am.
Giant burger na lang. With
yeah, I will take the burger.
giant burger.
Giant burger.
Sir, one?
Only one, sir?
Only one?
Of course. Am I looks like I can eat more? I know I'm fat, but not that much, I think. So you do video, okay, how often? Every day?
Every day.
Every day, sir.
So it's noisy sometimes, no?
Sometimes, pero close the door. Close the door.
Door will not help.
Yeah.
Close the door and only
Hey,
you.
Filipino start singing all barangay here.
VIP. Close the door
What's
only.
mine?
So you have frame for her?
Friend?
Oh yes, she
Single, ma'am.
She want a foreigner.
It's coming to daddy. Here we go.
Sunod na tayo mo kinuha, ma'am.
It's very big.
That's why they call giant, yeah?
Yeah.
Giant burger.
And you ask me how many I want of them? My God. Maybe I will have problem to eat one. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
We have very nice flag here. Should be Polish one. Or Philippines. French fries, good. Peter, watch how hamburger should looks like. Mmm,
It's good?
so good. You want to try?
No.
Oh my God,
Okay. You done?
super good. And the food for Danika's come.
Kinuom na manok. Excuse me. Gutom na yun, ma'am.
Pinakahulat.
And there's a native chicken inside.
Yes, sir.
There's no chicken.
No chicken inside?
Chill. Yeah. Read it. It's okay. You see? Yeah?
Very nice.
So let's eat. Because I'm hungry.
We both love to eat, huh?
Of course.
My God, we can't move now. Guys, thank you very much for watching the video. See you tomorrow. And please do subscribe if you have a little time for it. Stay safe. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.